Thank you. So we're back at Comuna. It's my friend's tattoo shop, La Crespa. Taking Matt up. We're gonna go up, take the escalators, and get something to eat because we're starving.
This is a lady I accidentally said I listen to the one with the red hair.
Where?
Over there.
Oh. We're gonna take the escalators. We get some food. Crazy. I saw that. So we're going up that famous Comuna 13 escalator. So look all the Disney stuff. So artists and artisans.
Mickey Mouse flipping the finger.
Wow, look at this art, man. You see this art? This is really great art. Dude, get crazy. We got escalators. Walk this way, man. You trying to kill me? I should. No. You haven't seen nothing yet. We have to keep on going up. We'll trust me, I'm starving. We're gonna get some food. It sucks that the escalator's busted.
Señor chicharrón de la Comuna. Bienvenidos a la casa de
Look at all those. Yo sé. Yo voy a coger fotos con el terminal. Oh, disculpa. What happened? Pretty cool, right?
Yeah. I like neon.
Look at that. I'm trying to remember what I ate the last time I was here. I ate all the way up top. You want? Chicken?
Hola amigo, bienvenido.
¿Cómo estás?
Qué bonito. De pollo y de cerdo.
Want chicken or pork?
Sí, mi amor.
Chicken pollo.
Dos pollos, por favor.
¿Tiene hambre, vecino? Venga y reciba su bendición. Hágala allí.
Where you guys from? Where you guys from? Oh, okay, we're from Florida.
She's from Miami.
Okay, I'm from
Born and
Florida.
raised, but I came here from Miami.
time here?
I lived here for 4 months last year.
Oh, did you? What do you do?
I just came to live, experience the culture, do some healing, you know.
I'm a retired firefighter paramedic, and my father was Colombian, so I'm thinking about getting my citizenship and coming here to retire in the next 4 or 5 years.
I got a visa. I didn't get citizenship. It's easy to get citizenship if you're making
Well, I'm also Colombian. My father was Colombian, so I can get citizenship. See, you want a little spice? Don't pull you. This is my second time. This is his first time. This is his birthday present.
Oh, well, welcome to Colombia.
Thank you. It very much is.
We love the community. Everyone wants to care about you. Yeah.
I'm friends with Crespa, the artist downstairs. She's the tattoo artist down there.
From where?
I'm friends with Crespa. She's the artist down there, La Crespa.
Oh, the artist.
She does tattoos and
I saw the tattoo. I saw the tattoo sign.
yeah, and then she does. It's called Flash Tattoo. When you come in on the right.
I mean, they're not permanent. They're not permanent.
No, they're permanent, all right.
Oh.
She did that. The back of my elbow. When I was here in November. I'm half Puerto Rican, half Colombian.
So sweet.
She did his leg. She did something on him.
Oh, really?
He's gonna get more.
You know you ever heard of the rapper Juice WRLD?
Which rapper?
Juice WRLD?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Because he passed away.
Someone that actually knows.
Yes. I miss him.
Yeah, I miss him too. I've been listening.
Most people thought his music was depressive, but I think he raps about what everyone feels anyway, but they don't talk about.
He rapped on like.
Look in between the triangles. Between the purple. There's a King Kong. There's a Up House, the little man. You'll see it. This. Oh, look at the hats.
They got wizard hats.
I want to see if I can fly my drone.
Wait, what?
I want to fly my drone up here. The top one. This is right. This is where I came the last time. Or you could grab a bite. It's a Colombian hamburger. They're delicious. said she texted me back.
You hear my house go.
Let's go to that corner over there. Let's go to that corner.
I got you. It would be great to grind off of this with a skateboard.
Or bike.
Or bike, yeah.
So we are walking to the supermarket. We went to an Éxito, but it was an Éxito Express. And Matthew wants a Smirnoff spicy flavor, was it? Huh? Oh, spicy tamarind. So we're walking 20 minutes to Medellin. Oh, what the hell is this? Hello? Let's do it. Yell through there. Do that again? That's Mateo El Peo. So we're just exploring this desolate area of Medellin because we're young and fearless, and we'll fight to the death if necessary. I had to negotiate with the Comuna 13 gangster to get my drone back today. That's another story for another day. We're gonna walk 20 minutes, about 2.5 miles, 2 miles. But it's pretty, it's nice, tree-lined streets. Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, I like those concrete nice.
I can see why Americans are moving here in droves. It's really inexpensive.
I would like to do graffiti here.
First you gotta do graffiti.
What?
First you gotta do graffiti.
Yeah.
And it's easy to get around. Good public transportation, Uber everywhere. Crazy scooter riders.
I'd skip out on the scooter, riding on the scooter. But
Rental bikes, but they're gone. Could have rented a bike. We've done some freestyle tricks.
once a freestyle tricks and then get hit by a crazy driver.
Here, look at this, look at this. Let's go, crisscross.
Is he driving a wheelchair?
It's a wheelchair, electric one. It's a fast fucking one too.
Man, why can't all wheelchairs be like that in the US?
I'm trying to modify that sucker. That thing's fast. Man, these electric scooters are fast. Rent a car place. I don't know if I'd rent a car here. Unless I was gonna go somewhere else outside of Medellin. Driving in Medellin is just way too much. I don't even know where we are in Medellin. I know we're walking towards Poblado. I think we're in Industriales or something like that it's called.
I like driving, but I would never drive down here. There it is.
over here where we're going. I hope they have liquor samples. Oh no, you know what? Probably going through the top upstairs. Walk to the second floor. We didn't see the second floor. We didn't see the second floor.
Yeah, the last time we were. Oh my god, look at the sunset.
Damn.
Beautiful.
That's why I want to fly my drone and get that shit.
Yeah.
You want to take a break and I'll fly my drone up there? Where you going? This is the Walmart of Colombia.
Hold on, how much does a Switch cost here? Because like, you could probably like
Let's
buy
see. Over here. So $1 million is like $350, so it's like almost $700.
Oh, okay, never mind.
It's about the same.
Yeah.
Ooh, that bread smells good. Where you looking? That's wines, man. So what you're looking for is over here somewhere. Right there. It's on the bottom shelf. That's it. Spicy tamarindo. What size? That's 50. They're both same size.
This is like cheap too. This is 50,000. You want to buy one for yourself?
No, I'm not a big fan of vodka.